with Angel Concierge. Today I'm here with Matan at Tech Armor in Ala Moana Shopping Center, and today I'm going to get my phone customized.
Alright, so over here at Tech Armor, we're fixing broken glass on iPhone, iPad, pretty much Android phones. That's made by us, Tech Armor. You can take a look at that right now. So most of the repairs that we do over here is take about an hour, and it's super fast and convenient. We're here in the mall in Ala Moana. We have a free parking, and let's go ahead and take a look at Sarah phones over here. And thank you, Sarah, for coming here today.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, what we're gonna do is just Sarah want to customize the home button and change it to a blue color, metallic light blue color, and that's what we're gonna work on today. Alright, so we go ahead and we're gonna see how fast it's gonna be to change the home button and customize it really quick. Yeah, let's do that. Let's open the phone.
So if you need your phone repaired or customized, or if you're a tourist out here and need to make local calls, come to Tech Armor, Ala Moana Shopping Center. They're open 7 days a week from 9:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. Thanks, Matan, for having me today.
Thank you, Sarah, and thank you, Angel Concierge. We'll see you soon.
Bye.